Alright, let's continue with our piece here. Now, as you can see, we're starting to get a shape here. Of our piece. And we're just starting to shape these areas in here. Okay. We're just kind of going around now. I'm starting to shape a few things. Getting into these crevice areas in here around the arms. My pencil keeps falling down, so. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a hand on this one here. So let's go ahead and separate that hand, and then I'm not sure if I'm going to put something in it. Be kind of nice, but we'll look at that later. If I can get enough thickness in there, I will. Let's move these crevice areas in here out a little bit. We begin to move this around. Now, let's go ahead and come from the base here and then just kind of come out a little bit where he's wearing kind of a robe. Probably going to make that a little bit wider in there. That will be the front. When you bring that down, that area in there, okay, just so like that. And then of course this is going to be brought down quite a bit. Like that. And of course then now we can kind of bring this down in this area quite a bit more. kind of scoop. Kind of scoop as you get to the bottom, just sort of flare it out. Is what scooping, I just mean kind of flare it out just a little bit like that. Because you can always bring this part in. And then from there, come down and cut your little notch in there. But you can bring that down quite a bit in this area and in this area as well. Your emphasis on a lot of times on the wizard is on the face, and of course we're going to have to bring that hand down. That hand's way too big. All right. Now let's now what we're going to do. Where's my pencil? Well, I tell you what, I need somebody here just to keep up with my pencil. I'm going to put a cuff right here. From the inside. There we go. Just a cuff. All right, let's see. I guess what we need to probably start doing now is to kind of working on that face just a little bit. All right, we're getting there. There. Now let's kind of work on this. I'm going to get this nose, and from each side, of course, we come up on both sides, sort of bring our nose in here. We're going to put our nose about right, somewhere about right in here. Okay. We're going to begin to shape that nose a little bit on each side. And then we're going to kind of come up and sort of, now the noses are still way too wide, but that's all right. We begin to work. See that? I always start off a lot bigger, folks, because then I can work the situation here. Okay. And of course it's going to have to be a lot thinner than that. Okay, which I'm going to go even a little bit thinner. Okay, very much similar to it. Okay, now what we want to do is we've sort of established our nose, and we want to put our, let me take a little piece here, our little beard, first beard as we might say. Like that. And pretty much know what to do with that. Cut from the outside, come in, the outside, come in like that, in other words. Now I'm out of time. As we see, let's look at our little wizard. Lot to do. Still a lot to do. Lot to do. But we're getting there, and that's good. All right.